So students, this will be the third video on third chapter of geography, which is minerals and power resources. In this video, we are going to see how is conservation of minerals important, as well as the various uses of minerals which we have been doing since a few decades. We all know that day-to-day lives we have currency, we have jewelry, we have computers, watches, and certain other applications of minerals. So this is just in brief the various sectors in which we're using them. This is about the use of mineral in food, in medicine, in food industry, medicine, in construction and building, in day-to-day, things that we use like talcum powder or toothpaste. We have many other applications. So let us focus on each one of them in detail. Few applications that I have found very necessary today is one of them is gypsum, which is used in manufacturing of the plaster if our bones need to heal. Thermometer, as you all know, contains mercury as well as a particular mineral called cinnabar. Okay. Now, these are the few others, like mica, for example, is used in medicine for certain, other ailments. In transport and technology, we have very wide application like technology. The computers will include quartz, silicon, many other derivatives of gold and other parts also being used, lithium batteries and certain other minerals. Then in cars, we have a particular mineral called hematite. In tire or the braking systems, we have asbestos, the covering or the manufacturing. We have coal, where it is needed for electric cars if the electricity is being used. Not in cars, but in other areas where we are using it as a power resource. In kitchen, we have many interesting minerals like salt. We have, the ceramic clay that we have, the china clay, the crockery made out of it, the cutlery, etc. Bauxite also has been used in certain types of manufacturing of can and cookware. Aluminium is the best example, which we all using on a wide basis. Now, why is conservation important? This will be a give reason type of question also. So let us note that the rate of formation of mineral is very slow, right? As we know, soil also takes so many years. So obviously something which is beneath it is going to take much more time to form and, be available for use. So rate of formation is slow, but the rate at which we are using it is very fast. So that is why we need to reduce the wastage when we are mining and using the minerals. Recycling has to be absolutely necessary. We have to reuse, reduce, and recycle the minerals. This slide is for reference by Professor Sawant from Pune University. They are saying or expecting that GDP is contribution to GDP would increase in states or the very poor states like Chhattisgarh or Jharkhand if mining industry is given the right kind of support, and if we have a lot of recycling technology brought into India. So in future times, this is going to be a very important sector. New methods in exploration have to be a must because we need to have a very good remote sensing technology or a better, marine resources to be explored, etc. And how we can, separate those minerals, how we can actually efficiently derive them, etc. Those also need to be improved upon. These methods will be crucial in conserving the minerals. Like they've given an example of USA, which recycles almost every mineral that it is using, which is very necessary in India as well. The substitution of mineral, like we spoke about tin and steel, similarly, we have to increase the consumption of other non-metals like petroleum, etc., which is very, very rare or very valuable, and therefore this will also conserve the mineral.